My name's Jackie and we're in my kitchen of my home in Alexandria, Virginia. We decided to upgrade our kitchen because when we moved in it was really outdated. The appliances weren't working properly, so we knew it was time to get a fresh upgrade. We used an app called House to interview a few different companies. We brought in, I think, 3 or 4 and got different quotes, and ultimately we decided on Bullrun. We liked the way that they presented themselves, and they gave us a competitive quote. We met with the designer and I presented my ideas of knocking down a wall and the idea I had for the layout of the kitchen. We met a couple times in the showroom, which was wonderful. We got to see some of the cabinet options and different ideas that they brought to the table as well, and that helped to come up with our final design for the project. The showroom was beautiful. We were able to choose our cabinet color there, the cabinet design, all of the hardware, and we got ideas for the countertops and ideas for what would look best with other options. It was nice to see everything in person instead of just looking online at things. The construction process was actually great. Sana was our project manager and he was absolutely wonderful with communication. We never really had to worry about when something was going to happen or if there was a delay, which happens. We knew why and what was being done to get something moving. Everybody that came into our home was very trustworthy and worked really well and efficiently, and we appreciated their efficiency, and the prompt communication with Sana was really helpful. My favorite part about the kitchen is there used to be a whole wall right here, and so it was very closed off from the living area, and now the fact that we can sit at the counter, we can cook here, we can prepare food, and we can also watch the TV and converse with anybody that's in the living room. Just the openness of the space, it's completely changed the layout of our entire home. I'm absolutely happy with the end result. Sana really worked hard to make sure that it was exactly what we wanted, and any little thing that we wanted to add or maybe fix along the way, he was very helpful in making that happen. And that definitely is a reason why I would recommend Bullrun to neighbors, friends, and we'll probably have them back to do other projects in this home.